Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are transforming a hoodie into a really cute trendy two-piece outfit. Start by measuring 15 inches from the bottom, mark your line and cut the hoodie to make the skirt. This was the easiest outfit I ever made, so I highly recommend revamping one of your old hoodies in less than 10 minutes. For the hoodie part, I am cutting out the logo and creating the scoop cut on the center front only. Keep the back the way it is. Just cleaning up my edges here. For the skirt, fold the waistline fabric over the elastic to know how much space you require to sew the waistline loop. Pin it, sew it all the way around, but leave an inch of space to insert the elastic. We are almost finished. Measure your waistline and cut your elastic to your size. Use a safety pin to pull on and guide the elastic through. Insert the elastic inside the hole you left open. Scrunch it in, but just make sure you don't lose hold of the other end. So always pin it down. Continue scrunching away. Pull both ends through and tie a strong knot. Then slide the knot inside and sew the opening shut. Cut the excess thread. And voila! We are all done. My two-piece hoodie outfit is ready. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and love you all.